The Star. 3 governors in trouble over graft. Governor Sadiq Sanindi koro ntiere kama tek ahinya kalore kod weche mag mibadhi masani koro mienogi. Anti-corruption agency targets prison chiefs in 450 million tender scandal. Mano e wach mantiere sani endi ni koro duol makedo kod weche go mag mibadhi sani endi koro oketo nyong'ong margi kuom weche go mag kuonde go mag ute ang'ech kuom omenda madirom million 450 e weche machal kama endi. Wach machielo ka endi, varsity student arrested in fake exam case. Ma endi en inteja puonjre moro mar mbalariany ma koro nyondhi kod bende otasego eko mok ni kare mag penj. Mane wach mantiere. Kenyans facing hunger to raise 1.5 million, says Matiang'i. The prevailing drought across 23 arid and semi-arid countries could push the number of hunger-stricken Kenyans in need of relief food and water to 3.5 million, the government has said. Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i said in a statement. Manoe watchman tire kanyo endo ka wadhi mejo Kenya sani ndi madirom milion 3 nyalo chopo kuma koro kech bro baro gi andasi ber mar mondo Gimi Brotim. Guru Fahim Toha kod Dado Godana gin sani governors sani koro oknyongo kod EACC e weche mag mibadhi. Ka adhi nyime kaendi, Azimio team keen on protecting empires, Ruto team now claims. Ni koro jo Azimio dwaro mondo mikoro gin giket mana mano endo ma en obadho kuom jogo kuma gin families madongo mantiere koda kamwandu mago eko mang'eny. Mane ler maneno ka nitiere kanyo endo makoro wachre. Oboke ndi ma The Star rather. Ka ng'iyo misery of unqualified staff earning huge salaries in Narok. Ma ndi wach masani ber mondo ming'e ni tuboke ni Maraboro. Some officers earn as much as 150,000 but lack academic papers. Mane wach mantiere e Narok County ntie jogo kuma koro gin jotich manyawawa. Narok Governor Samuel Tunai on Monday narrated the frustration his administration has undergone trying to retire unqualified officers who draw huge salaries. Mano e wach mantiere kanyo endo ka wadhi nyime. Digital lenders on tight leash as new regulations kick in. Central Bank of Kenya has gazetted new rules to govern the industry. Mind any given benetimo. In fact, obuda hinya jomag chiwo hola mag mobile phone tala ngo zenka ber mar mondo migi bed ni gin under regulation. Jogi osebedo ka samoro tiyo gi jo Kenya okang'o ndo moko ne kare. Ber mar mondo mikoro magi kigin chigi mondo miyo bisani. The Central Bank of Kenya has officially gazetted the digital lenders regulation, paving way for their oversight and supervision. It focuses on addressing high interest rates, unethical debt collection practices, and misuse of personal data by some digital lenders. CBK Governor Patrick Njoroge said the digital credit providers regulations seek to address public concerns given the significant growth of digital lending, particularly through mobile phones. Mano e watchman tiber mamondo megimijo hala kaka gimijo hala na weche moko magni dwa gochine ng'ato ng'ato dwa embarasi kamoro moro ma intiere samari ka oseng'el fachiel to koro dwa luor kodi piny manyisi nyaka mamani nyisi nyaka girlfriend ni kiang'o weche mang'eny ahinya. World Water Day 2022 kauni ndi dichini ndo mar pi ber ma mondo mang'eny to koro enang matimro dichini ndi mar pi mago gin weche mantie World Water Day ene wachimaye wacho kanyo. Anano ka indikwa Alex Awiti ondiko ka indi Putin walk the triggest version. Mana wachmantin sani koro banyo sani koro Putin oketo nyalo kelo manendo mabende en sandrock mang'enya hinya ne oganda. What is me? I don't have the grace to stay single, says Burale. Mane wachmantire kanyendo. Transformational speaker Robert Burale is attracted to a woman who understands herself and God. The image consultant and pastor still believes in marriage despite divorce. He has been celibate since 2013 after his marriage ended. I desire marriage. I do not have the grace to be single, he told What Is. Indian Burale bende loso ge weche mang'enya hinya. Diamond and Zari in love triangle. Diamond Zari kendo chako wache Zari gi Diamond ngai no rumo kendo. Diamond Platinumz and Zari Hassan are in now trending Netflix reality show Young, Rich and Famous. Late last year, Diamond flew to South Africa to shoot the reality show. The singer admitted that he will never stop loving Zari. Diamond Mandy in Diamond and Mon Maya South Africa gete mage ma ose yudogo kodi okolwomo lomo kodi kaka kwenye na alumo gazetini Diamond belumo kodi ko wacho ni kata bed ne giwere gizari okonyalo weyo here mane wacho kanyo endo to Zari benyoso yudo ngato koro dhigo mbele. Sauti Sol partners with the pay platform which Kanye Wadis Ibro yudogi achiel kachiel. Nairobi County, so you think you can lead celebs eyeing political posts. May watch mantiere. Kevin Kioko aka Bahati, nitie kanyo. Davidson Ngumbuini aka DNG, nitiere Smith Mwatia aka Rington, nitiere Felix Odur aka Jalango, kod Jackson Makini aka Prezo, kod Gabriel Kagundu aka Gabu. Magi jamador mamondo mikoro gibende getemie siasa. Mane watch mantiere. Brace for resounding defeat, Nonro tells UDA allied rivals. Magiwe Chimanti Kanyo Shabal Nasir Mbogo seeks support to take over from Joho. Mago Ewichi Mantire Kanyo Nduma Inyalongi Achel Kachel Ewichi Magtuke Klopp wants rivals. Maindikoro Liverpool coach o Nyuso Jogo Ikoni Tanguru. Manchester City will face Liverpool in a mouth-watering FA semi-final at Wembley. Crystal Palace, who beat Everton 4-0 and have never won the competition, play last year's beaten finalist Chelsea in the other game. Liverpool had to work hard against Nottingham Forest, but eventually progressed thanks to Diogo Jota's goal. Chelsea won 2-0 at Middlesbrough on Saturday, while Manchester City picked up 4-1 success at Southampton. Mendi korogin wichigweko maga FA Cup mantire kanyo. No magic wand to fix our problems, insists Lampard. My Indian never told me to make a mateka henya. Ka Oboke machelo and Mother Daily Nation. Watch Madunga to watch Mantire Canyon and Ruto's sticky mess. Nitiere giwe kumasani ndikoro okwa kolwasi maruta hinya iwichi ni modwe chungodo kaka jaten pinyo wacho kasani en jalup jaten pinyo wacho mano endo eler mantiere kanyo wacho niya for the deputy president when it rains it pours. Only days after bagging the Kenya Kwanza presidential ticket, he must now select a running mate. From an increasingly thinning stable, Kraft deals with other ambitious political parties, shake off the new court case arguing for its resignation, while all the while warding off criticisms against integrity credentials of the category of politicians hanging around him. Magitegi mo odhiek ne Ruto. Gini mo nyorre kuma kongi koni en gi court case kongi koni no mondo miyo kongi koni jomoluore ntiere kod mabadhe kongi koni gik moko timre gi Ruto koni gi kocha. Mago inyalo somo kanyo mondo mi ine kaka weche nitiere kanyo dachiel kachiel. In Oboke ni mara ngwen kweda beach, the hurdles that litter Ruto's path in race to succeed as president. Mago weche mentire kanyo te. Wachima digital lenders chande wase wache jo ibokawe itoboke mara boro gendike ai ntiere jo bodaboda moko mane ochinyo jo South Sudan moko match gwenge ko mag Nakuru. South Sudan man dies in arson attack by bodabodas. Jo bodaboda kenoncha kodonjo kende wach machielo mana juma achiel kende wang koro nyose ngonnegi weche giki mag kao chik elwetgi kata kamano ndo wachre ni koro jo South Sudan giki nyo bambo nyako moro gwenge mag Nakuru koro gitegi ne otachiel no gidhi mage chinyo no achiel kuom jogo no tho moko pod ntiere kuonde ko magintie gi thieth. Riders burn house in which 5 South Sudanese citizens were hiding after they were accused of sexual assault. Magiweche mateka hinya ka police nitiere police ne beni korne ka wachi nyendi to tiyo godo achiel kachiel mondo giweka ochik elwetgi. Deviant in the face of popular parties their battle on. Magi kigin koro gin jogo komo chung kod parties moko bende koro nitiere kuon ma ok yota hinya no ka indika David Ochieng ni kanyo ochung kama ODM nitiere ji mang'eny ahinya mochung kuon opogore to parties magini go okong'ere ahinya. Ka wadhi nyime ber mar mondo mikoro wang'iyane weche mantiere kanyo chiel kachiel. Weche mag tuke kaindi. Duplantis Rogers shine bright as curtains fall on championships. Magiki Korogino Chikwane the Nime US born Paul Volta cleared 6.20 meters at the third time for asking. Better than his previous best in the same arena Belgrade 2 weeks ago. Manendo Wachmantika Nyendo and Okaindika gold medalist Venezuela's Yumila Rogers poses during the podium ceremony with the women's triple jump final. Ngatonyo Dukaindi $50,000 US, Mindi and million a beach. Million per beach. Maindi en pesa makoronga to kanywendo achiel kachiel tuke beyo kendo gimiyo ji nyalo. Antigo Oboke mang'iyo kaindi mogik Mother Standard Watchman tika ni our pledge ni singo go iko Raila gi Ruto oseketo sama koro gidhi nyime gi campaign gi eki. Achiel kuom gi ni promise to invest in agriculture to increase productivity and make Kenya food secure. We'll seek economic inclusion, reform economy from the trickle down to bottom up model. Moro Raila Wachoke pledge to leverage on Uhuru's infrastructure development projects to drive industrialization. Promised 6,000 per month to 2 million needy families and to scale up universal health coverage. Magigin kore ichi ko magasingo makoro gulo kwani gi kocha. Ito bokeni maradek any couple digs up son's body hoping he will resurrect. The spiritual leader told the couple that the boy would resurrect on Sunday night. They had already scooped half of the soil from the grave and were almost removing the coffin before officers arrived. Police officers in Kisumu East have foiled an attempt by a couple to exhume the body of their 9-year-old son they hoped would resurrect. In an incident that has left neighbors surprised, Okoth Obudo believed a spiritual leader who told him his son who he buried 4 months ago would come back to life. It started after Rome Musalaba Church of Legio Maria sect elder told Mr. Obudo he had foreseen the boy's resurrection. The spiritual leader told the couple that the boy would resurrect on Sunday night. The church members had helped the couple together with the family members to dig the body's ball. Jesus Christ did it. Nobody again will ever resurrect. Ngatuditu wundi brain wo chini no lemo no ninya tini mani yiko dweche ang'wen mokadho ka koro bro dhi to chier. Ai beja ko kunyo. Mano magotimbe mage. Apenjuwe jo kama. Ngatu biro nyisi ni nyathini mani yiko en bro chopo kamoro to koro odhi chier. Koro ji odhi kanye ndo mage jo kanisa miluongo ni Rome Musalaba Malejo Maria. Ni koro nyisi gini nyathi cha bro chier koro dhiura dhia kaja mondo koro riti nyathi yana ka bro chier. Ai bende dhiti paro ni mano gima nyalo timre. You can't be brainwashed that much. Ng'ama tho mogik mano chier neno Yesu Kristo kende en mano loyo tho. We human beings are just mortal. What? Campaign Maruto how NTSA officials issue fake driving licenses to rogue drivers. Journalists expose how driving schools give licenses without taking classes or sitting tests. Filth in transport sector blamed for the rising number of road fatalities. Ya ndije mkomo bende samoro poko ngeriambo mtoka maber to se miem na manendo my driving license nikech pesa kato penyi Kenya kaindi pesa. I am not joining UDA, says Sabina after missing Azimio rallies. Maigimanya jima mangenya wachinto Azimio ni Sabina cheke kose bedo mbele chimaga Azimio kabisa. No, the UDA kosen nango. Muranga women representative Sabina Chege yesterday dispelled speculations that she was planning to join Deputy President William Ruto's United Democratic Alliance. There were rumors over the weekend that Ms. Chege, who has been vocal in Azimio La Umoja rallies, was planning to join Ruto during his meeting in Muranga town. Koro wache maler koro onge wache Raila dilemma in governance race at the coast kanyere Raila koro chuno nyaka Raila ne kaka bro tiyo motegno nikech joka te gin joge. Wanjigi now Safina Life member joins Ruto team. Mane wachimantia nini koro Wanjigi koro ngani ndo manager Safina kendo koro omakre koda ka Ruto. Wachimajo Sudan mano wang gwenge mag Nakuru cha ntito bloke ni mara par gariyo. How groundwater is saving lives in Tiati. minding in also 60 years after independence kunmuka kati ati jikunyum na buche ikayud pipi mabende olil tawadak in a country maiwacho ni Korosanindi is the third richest the sixth richest country manoendo in this continent manawach mawadagi William Kamket my name pi matiati keni paro na ngod sink balls the CDF money maintire godo mundu jiwi du pi ana kind reborn Barcelona rekindle magic with the real defeat mane wachmentire Barcelona nyogo Real Madrid el Clasico mabende koro wachoni ai macha ni megima koro bro bira chel ka chel kendo kosenango Chelsea bidders to be trimmed to 3 magi madwa nyiew Chelsea sani ndi koro wachini koro gidoko gipenya ka ji madirom adeka Chelsea sedo madwa nyiepo ko gidoko gipenya chel ka Rain Group, a US bank overseeing the sale of Premier League club Chelsea, plans to narrow down the shortlist of bidders to 3 yesterday or today. Sources close to the deal told Reuters. Reuters now report. Chelsea were initially put up for sale by owner Abramovich following Russia's invasion of Ukraine before sanctions were imposed on the oligarch by the British government, effectively giving control of the club. Rain set deadline for last Friday for the bids to be made. Korokebanya Chelsea inyaka yudi cheng mara ki mondo mikori new Chelsea kipani yalo nyewo they for about 1.4 billion. Mano a whole club. Mamano endo ingeni kapononi en Kenya ka endito a whole ministry. Oran mabera hinya mage weche maontira godo mag nonro mar Oboke kinyi masani wacha kwaro mkodi kendo e weche wa manyien.